What if I told you there's a country where you can cruise through canals, cycle past windmills, walk through endless fields of tulips, and even stand on the ocean floor? Welcome to the Netherlands, a place where history, nature, and culture come together in the most magical way. Let's explore the best this country has to offer. We start in Amsterdam, the heart of the Netherlands, a city where history and modern life blend perfectly. Cruise along the canals, visit world-famous museums, or simply enjoy the energy of this buzzing metropolis. Beyond the city, the Dutch countryside is a feast for the eyes. In spring, endless fields of tulips paint the landscape in vibrant colors. And the iconic windmills of Kinderdijk stand as a reminder of the country's deep connection with water. Imagine a village with no cars, only canals and little bridges. This is Giethoorn, a hidden gem where life moves at a peaceful, dreamy pace. With over 450 kilometers of coastline, the Netherlands is also home to stunning beaches, rolling sand dunes, and even the Wadden Sea, a UNESCO World Heritage Site where you can walk on the ocean floor at low tide. Looking for something beyond the typical tourist spots? Explore the cozy canals of Utrecht, the southern charm of Maastricht, or the historic city of Delft, famous for its beautiful blue ceramics. And of course, the Dutch way of life wouldn't be complete without its traditions, delicious cheese, and warm stroopwafels. The cheese markets of Gouda and Alkmaar are famous worldwide, and vibrant festivals like King's Day, when the whole country turns orange. From historic cities to breathtaking landscapes, from cultural treasures to hidden gems, this is the Netherlands, a small country with a big heart, ready to be explored. Want to see more of the Netherlands and beyond? Follow my journey as I explore the best destinations, hidden gems, and travel tips to make your adventures unforgettable. Subscribe now and join me, Edo the Dutch Explorer, on the road to discovery.